If you're curious about AI and you'd like to understand how to use it safely and confidently in everyday life, BlueCap AI drop in sessions are here to help. These are free, friendly, one-to-one sessions where you sit down with a real person and explore how AI can support you in practical, useful ways. People come along for all sorts of reasons: to write a message more easily, to look things up and understand them clearly, to organize reminders, appointments, or ideas, or simply to see what AI can do and what it can't. When you arrive, you'll be welcomed in and asked to sign in. While you wait, you can take a seat, and when it's your turn, we'll sit together and focus on one thing at a time at your pace. We focus on safe, sensible use. You stay in control, and nothing is shared without your say so. The goal is understanding and confidence, not pressure or overwhelming you. You can currently find BlueCap AI drop in sessions every Tuesday between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. at the Fearnhead Community Centre. There's no need to book, you can just drop in. We're also looking to expand these drop in sessions to other areas. So if you live outside the Warrington area and you'd like your local community center to host a BlueCap AI session, please let them know about us and let us know where you'd like us to reach out to. Our details will be included in this video description. Whether you have a specific question or simply curious to learn, you're very welcome. Come along and explore what's possible, one step at a time.